Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. It's Friday. First Friday back from vacation. And yeah, I'm ready for the weekend already. But today we got this FRS with big Wang on it. Sick wheels. It's in for a spa day. A much needed spa day. It's in for inside and out and under the hood. That's a new customer of ours named Joseph. So thank you, Joseph. Check out the before. We're gonna take care of this, get it all cleaned up. We're gonna take that filter out. We're gonna clean that up. I'm gonna try to do this video with just my phone. Let's see, bear with me here. I probably lied, I don't think my battery can do a whole video. So we're gonna do the GoPro and the phone. Let's dig right into this. First off, we're gonna start with the engine bay. Let's tidy this thing up. Don't know if you can see this, but I did a little spot here with Bloom Coal Rush. Oh, you can see it. Look at the difference in gloss. So we're gonna do the entire car. We're gonna bring that gloss back. Again, it's more of a paint enhancement, not a paint correction. But I think the customer's gonna be very happy with this. Let's get to it.
Yeah, pie, fish, beets, sant,
Okay.
man. It's yeah, yeah.
this-
You don't go like this, guy. That's like atheism, bro. Who does that?
I don't go to church.
I can tell. That's the right way.
I don't know what we filmed or what we caught on camera, but the inside's all done. It's really dark in here. We just shampooed everything. We're gonna do our order blaster here, orange citrus. Finishing touch. It's sprayed out a little bit everywhere. We made Matt come in here and wash his own car.
Should we work on people's bikes?
Yeah, I think Matt makes an appearance in every video.
Yeah, I think so too. We always get comments like,
We're gonna have to pay. Like, who's
this? Yeah, who is this?
who's this idiot?
Yeah, no, we don't get any comments.
Oh man, that looks good. That looks real good. All right, we just pulled this thing outside. Looks pretty snazzy. Then we both looked at each other and said, "Did you clean the inside windows?" And the answer was no. And his answer was no.
So we pulled it back in like any good worker would do. And I'm cleaning the windows, and we're gonna give this another interior clean because this guy's first time here. So we're gonna be working till 9. I just keep staring at the
I'm just gonna follow you now.
You can fall.
I'm going. That's the end of the FRS detail. Thank you, Joseph, for your, wow, what the fuck. That's gonna finish off this video of the detail of this FRS.
I'd like to thank my family. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs down because we don't really care.
Peace!